Hi, this is Gavin Walker with Walker Tek Solutions, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to set up the Tax ID in Medisoft. So to set it up, you would go under File and then Practice Information, and here is a demonstration practice, and you can see there's a Tax ID field here. This will print on several reports, including statements, but the tax ID that goes on the claim form needs to be set up on the Practice IDs tab. And in here, you would want to set up a record for all providers, all classes, all insurance classes, and all facilities. And so I've got one set up here already. I'm just going to click Edit on that. And so here you can see there is a field called Tax Identifier, and this will be the tax ID for the practice. So you would just enter that in, click OK, and then be sure to click Save. If there are any overrides, like say you have another facility that needs a different tax ID, you can override that on your claims so that if you use such and such facility, it will override that, put the tax ID on there. You'll want to fill out all information for that facility, even if it is the same as your all record. So basically fill out your NPI, taxonomy, and tax ID, so forth. So then you click Save. Now on your provider record, if I go to Lists and then Providers, you would edit your provider record here. And you have some provider IDs on the provider. So in here you would have an all record set up again for the provider for all insurance, all class, all facilities. But in most cases you're going to want to pull the same tax ID for all providers at the practice. So what you'll want to do then is just select from practice, and then that will cause anytime you are filing a claim for this provider to pull the tax ID from the practice. Just click OK. And then the same thing for any insurance carrier overrides, you would do the same thing. Select from practice. If you do have a different tax ID you need to file the claim with when you are filing a claim for this provider, then enter in the override tax ID. And that is the process of setting up tax IDs in Medisoft. And this is Gavin with Walker Tek Solutions, LLC.